I didn't even want to know.
First finds for 10 bucks. We got that pot, and that pot. Now that's for personal use. That's pretty obvious, but welcome to the vlog. Bonafide Hustler here, and we are gonna go see garage sales and see what we can find. It's like 7 in the morning. Wish us luck. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship. My girlfriend's here too, and she's on the phone, but we are hitting up garage sales and we're gonna go check it out. Okay, to the next garage sale we go. And also, if you want to learn some of this stuff and you need a guide, a free guide, it's the first link down below right here. You can go get it. It'll teach you some items to start looking out for while you're at thrift stores and garage sales. Beautiful overcast morning here in Austin, Texas. And let's go to our next one. Next garage sale is right here. Could find something cool. We're in central Austin now. We're just on the hunt, you know. Could be a good one, but we're gonna call it quits if it isn't. So I'm walking down to that one, and I didn't find anything at that one personally, but this is a day that has just a lot of random opportunity, and I think it's gonna be mostly in South Austin. A lot of staggered times on the openings too, so it's kind of hard to make like a perfect plan, because I mean, we're seeing start times 7, 8, 8:30, 9, and even 11 a.m. Like, what? I don't know what to do. We're just gonna give it our best shot. I think my girlfriend bought something for herself at this garage sale, like an espresso cup, nothing super crazy. We need to find some stuff that makes money. All right, what'd you get?
A little
Espresso
Doppio cup.
Little Doppio cup for you, cool.
And then this is just for me too. It's a Free People kind of raggedy little.
Oh my God, little gypsy girlfriend. Come on now, don't be gypsying. Don't be doing gypsy stuff. Gypsy head, better not be gypsying on me. Oh, there's Halloween stuff too. The first score of the morning is this Trek Pre-Caliber, and spent 50 bucks on it. And yeah, this is gonna sell for like 1 to 150. It's the pink colorway. It's in really good condition. Yeah, 1 to 150 all day. This is a pretty easy thing to sell. Look at how new these tires are too. I mean, yeah, this thing was barely ridden. I've got this guitar here. It's broken, but it's good for the booth and decoration. 3 bucks. In the booth, it's not gonna be like a whole lot of money, but like somewhere between like 30 and 50 bucks for this thing, I think I can get. Okay, we're on the quest to find more things. And let's see if we can find it here.
Oh.
No. Hello. How you doing, brother? What's up, buddy? How are you? From that garage sale right there, we had a little jackpot. So my girlfriend was looking at some things and some jackets and some boots, but she didn't get it. And I was just hovering around. There's another reseller there I was talking to. And the lady came out with this thing right here with some books in it. And I was like, are you selling the tote by any chance? Because I saw this, I already know what this thing is. And the best part is, look at this. It has tags. Okay, so this is a Filson tote bag. It's probably gonna have resale of like 150 to 200. And if it's actually a made in USA one, then it's gonna be worth a little bit more. So all we have to do is figure out if it's made in USA. My girlfriend will figure this out and should know here in a second. But yeah, usually these are made in USA ones will carry more value. $10 for a brand new CC Filson canvas leather tote with bridal leather straps. That's insane. What a crazy deal. This is definitely in the historical kind of like best prices ever. You know, finding that Filson bag was so amazing. We've invested 15 minutes now to go down the ways to get to like another pocket of sales. So we're gonna see if this pans out. But man, that Filson bag was awesome. This one's in the back of a house somewhere, so we're gonna go check it out. We didn't find anything at that last garage sale. We just came out of this one. Looks like my girlfriend has found some small piece of stained glass something. Nothing super crazy. I think it's more of like a hobby piece of stained glass. I think she's maybe gonna buy it for like $1 or $2. Nothing crazy. Now we are at like 10:30 in the day. And I'm wanting to call it a day, but we're in a part of town where there's still like 2 more left. So we're gonna see if we can find anything, but it's not looking very good. But we did find some cool things already, you know? I think the best find of the day easily. I like the Filson thing, but like honestly, the Trek Pre-Caliber bike is probably going to sell the quickest just because it's in super high demand. Could probably sell it for like 200. My girlfriend's telling me to list it for 250, and I might, but we'll see. That bike right there is $299 to $329.99 new, and this one's like been ridden like twice, I think. So yeah, my girlfriend got the stained glass. Here she comes. All right, so you got it for how much?
$1. I'm gonna glue or find some type of like welder glue to kind of get some of these pieces back to normal. But I think for our house, I think it'd be really cool to hang it up. It already has the little things. Okay. And it's really cool.
All right, so she likes it, and we're gonna take it home for $1. Yeah, we've seen some other garage sales, and truth be told, we're probably just gonna abandon the whole garage sale thing. And truth be told, there's a bike on top of my car that I bought from Facebook Marketplace, but I'm not going to air it on this vlog because it's not garage sale related. But I did, you know, when I'm out garage selling, I look for other deals. I might be close to a pawn shop or a thrift store, and then I was looking at Facebook Marketplace and I caught a Trek Marlin. This is as much as the hint as you get. There's the tire up there. I got a Trek Marlin for $150, which is great, and I think it's going to sell for $500. That's going to be on its own vlog. Go check that out. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because you see 2 different kinds of vlogs, you know, like real thrift vlogs and reselling vlogs, and then there's you know, obviously the bike stuff and garage sale stuff. Okay, my girlfriend's at an estate sale. I think she said it's really good. I'm gonna go check it out. Yeah, while I was filming that last bit, she blew me up with texts because I was filming it in the car, and I was like, you go to this estate sale, which happened to be on the same street as this Facebook Marketplace deal. And she was like, you gotta come see this stuff. So now I'm walking to the estate sale. I usually don't go to estate sales, but she's saying this one's really good. It's over here. Let's check it out.
This, and this.
This one's 20. That's pretty cool.
I have to be careful with these styles because
Neither of us heard you. Come on.
there are a lot of things that estate sale. I think my girlfriend's buying a pair of fry boots, I think, or something. There's so much to look at. It's a little overwhelming. And truth be told, we really need to be heading home to go see our dogs, which have now been alone for about 5 hours. And that's about the max I like to have my dogs, you know, like at the house away from us. So, my girlfriend got some fries. And also I left the estate sale early, by the way, because there's a bike on top of my car. And I don't know if this neighborhood's a good neighborhood or not. So, I don't want it to get stolen. Even though it's locked up, I still don't want it to get stolen. What y'all don't see is the fact that it's probably 93 or 95 degrees outside, and I made the dire mistake of wearing a full-blown t-shirt when I should have a cutoff or a tank top or something. So your little cheddar hunter Bonafide is getting a little irritated. I just want to go home. I want to be around my dogs. Okay, fine. Here's the bike. I'll show it to you right there. Not supposed to be on this vlog, but there it is. It's pretty awesome. Okay, the final finds of the morning from an estate sale. What did the GF get?
Fries for $5.
Okay, some $5 fry boots. I don't know the name of those, but those are looking pretty mint. What else we got here?
I think this is real. I think
Python
this is
or
real
something?
Python, yeah,
Okay.
if you feel it.
Okay.
But it's a long crossbody. This was $5.
Okay, cool.
For the
Love
booth.
that. That'll be in the booth for like 50 plus. Someone will like that. Okay.
And then this one was also $5. It's just another little crossbody. Just little details that I think some women will like. There's
Okay.
a lot of stuff in here that I have to get out.
This is more like a 30 to 50, this one right here. That's pretty cool though. I like that one.
It's more. It's more. It's really
Okay,
cool.
if you think it's more, it's more then. We're back at the Hustler Casa. I'm editing the last parts of the vlog, and here's the closing parts. We always discuss kind of, you know, what we think this stuff's gonna sell for, you know, after the day is done. The Trek Pre-Caliber 16 pink kids bike, that's probably going to shake out between $150 and $200 sale, more than likely. just because it has the good color. It's really good condition, and it has training wheels as well to the side, but they're there. The CC Filson bag, you know, locally maybe 1 to 150, online maybe up to 200. That's what I'm thinking for that thing right there. The fry boots. So in the booth, when we put fries that are kind of like that, we usually get about 50 to like $75 for them. I think on eBay, if I was to put those on, it'd be about the same, I think. And of course, those 2 purses, you know, the Python one, about 50 plus, like I said in the vlog. The other one, which wasn't as cool, about 30 to 50, which I said in the vlog too. But this is where we're gonna end the vlog because I wanna make sure that y'all can see it. And if you had a really good weekend or, you know, found some cool stuff, then post it down below in a comment. Let me know what you found. But let me get this thing edited and in your hands so you can watch it and have some fun. Until the next time, I will see y'all. Take it easy. Goodbye.